Okay. Selenium live project training day 2. Last class, we discussed about introduction part of Selenium. Today, we are going to discuss about the next concept. Before that, just ping me your messages in chat box, whether I am audible and are able to see my screen. If everything is clear or not, just ping me your reply in chat box. Yes, very good, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your response. Okay, see, yesterday we discussed software testing two ways, such as manual testing and automation testing. And why we are going to automation testing? Because disadvantages in manual testing, that's what we are going to automation testing. And automation testing life cycle we learn, and Selenium features. What are the Selenium features? Let me write once again. Yeah, such as 1 minute, guys. Just give me 1 minute, please. Yeah, see, like open source, nothing but free of cost. Yesterday we discussed already. And Selenium is a automation suite. I mean, it is a what? Automation suite because of combination of 4 components such as Selenium IDE and Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver and Selenium Grid. But 80 to 90% we can work with Selenium Grid. Next, it's a functional testing tool. It's a what? Functional testing tool. And used for regression testing. Used for what? Regression testing. Manually, always regression testing not possible. To perform regression testing, we are using automation tool. And it's automate web browser applications only. It's automate what? Web browser applications only. Yes, it's automate web browser applications. And it support number of browsers. What are the number of browsers? Such as Chrome, everyone, Chrome, Safari, Opera, Firefox, Edge, like that support almost all browsers. And as well as it support number of operating systems. What are the operating systems? Such as, everyone, operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac, Ubuntu, like that. And as well as it support number of languages. What are the languages? It support number of languages. What are the languages it will be support? Java, Python, C Sharp, and Ruby. Everyone, once again, it support number of languages. So once again, guys, Selenium features, very, very important. Open source, nothing but free of cost. It is an automation suite because combination of 4 components as IDE, RC, WebDriver, and Grid. and it is a functional testing tool used for regression testing, and it's automate web browser applications only. It support number of browsers: Chrome, Safari, Opera, Firefox, Edge, and it support number of operating system such as Windows, Linux, and Mac, and it support number of languages such as Java, Python, C Sharp, and Ruby. Okay. Now, let us know how four components will work. I mean, what is the purpose of IDE? What is purpose of RC? What is purpose of WebDriver? And what is the purpose of grid? So, everyone, like four components, what is the purpose? How it will be work? Let me explain. Before that, I mean, to understand what is a four components uses, let us know small history. Yes, small history of Selenium. So have an idea, guys, who developed Selenium? Have an idea who developed Selenium? Ping me your answers in chat box. Either right or wrong, no problem, guys. Finally, I'll explain. Just my question is, who introduced Selenium or who developed Selenium? Good, good. Yes, Jason Huggins. You know, 2004 at the time, everyone, 2004 at the time, Jason Huggins. Jason Huggins. He worked as a web application developer in Artworks company. Yes, which company? Artworks. Artwork. Jason Huggins. I mean, in 2004 at the time, he was worked as a developer, web application developer. After completion of development, to automate, I mean, to test that web browser application, he prepared one small JavaScript name called as JavaScript test runner. JavaScript test runner, later renamed as Selenium core. Later renamed as Selenium core. Once again, guys, try to understand. Everyone, 2004 at the time, Jason Huggins, he was developer at ThoughtWorks company. He developed one web browser application after development. After development, to test the web browser application, he prepared small JavaScript named as JavaScript test runner, later renamed as Selenium core. You know, at the time, Selenium core means there is no components, only small JavaScript test runner only. And after 2004, 2006 at the time, 2004, 2006 at the time, Shania Kastani, Shinya Kastani. So he is from Japan. He developed one small plugin into, also called as extension. Shinya Kastani from Japan. He developed one small plugin into browser. Plugin name nothing but call as IDE. Nothing but call as what? IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Integrated development environment. Once again, guys. So Shinya Kastani, he developed one small plugin into web browser application. The plugin name IDE. It is used to perform recording and playback on web browser application. Yes, recording and playback. Nothing but as a user, what are the operations we are performing? I mean, login operation, register operation, or any operation in the application, everything we can record. And in the future, any number of times we can play, we can check whether working or not. The simple example, in our mobile phone, we can use audio recording or video recording. Purpose what? Once if you record, in future, any number of times we can play, we can check. Same like that. Application actions we can record and number of times in the future we can run. So ID used to perform recording and playback. But you know one thing, he donated in 2006 at the time. Shinya Kastani donated IDE to Selenium project. Then it is called Selenium IDE. Why he donated? Because if you observe my screen, Jason Huggins already prepared one small JavaScript that is also to automate web browser application. Am I right? To automate what? Web browser application. Yes. So even it is also to automate web browser application. That's what he donated IDE to Selenium project. Then from 2006 onwards, it is called Selenium IDE. Everyone, once again, 2004 at the time, Jason Huggins, he created one small JavaScript to automate web browser application, which is called Selenium Core. You know, it was first Selenium in the market. And 2006, Shinya Kastani, he's from Japan. He's from Japan. He created, I mean, he developed one small plugin into he created one small plugin into browser. The plugin name IDE used to perform recording and playback. Used to perform what? Recording and playback. Yes. Used to perform recording and playback. And you know, guys, later he donated project to Selenium IDE. He donated project to Selenium IDE. Are you clear my point? Then it is called Selenium IDE. So next component. Next component. Same 2006, 2008 at the time. 8 at the time. Selenium RC developed by Paul Hammond. Paul Hammond. He developed one small server to perform functional testings on. We are functional testing engineer, right? To perform functional testings on web browser application. To perform functional testings on web browser application. Yes, to perform functional testings on web browser application. Web browser application. That server nothing but call as RC. Once again, guys, Paul Hammond, he created one small server to work in between the user and the browser to perform functional testings on web browser application. And same like that, Simon Stewart. Simon Stewart, he developed collection of framework collection of framework, which is called Selenium WebDriver. It is also used to perform functional testing, but it is most powerful and advanced. It is most powerful and advanced than RC. Guys, if you observe this server, RC means nothing but remote control. Remote control. RC means nothing but remote control. Like RC used to perform functional testing on web browser, and as well as WebDriver also used to perform functional testings on web browser. But the difference is, everyone, but the difference is, this is, I mean, which one? WebDriver most powerful and advanced than RC. Everyone, this is most powerful and advanced than RC. Are you clear my point, guys? Once again, Paul Harmon, he created server. He created server to perform like functional testings on web browser. WebDriver also to perform functional testing, but it is more advanced than RC. 2008 at the time, RC merged with WebDriver and released into the market as a Selenium WebDriver 2.0. Yes, now RC not present in the market. Yes, RC not present in the market, but you have to know how RC will work. That's what I'm explaining in our class. But in the market, there is no RC. RC merged with WebDriver and working as a Selenium latest version 4 and coming soon next versions also, guys. And last, Patrick Lightbody. Guys, interview time, they never ask names of who invited like that. Just I'm giving the names for your better understanding. Okay. So Patrick Lightbody, he developed Selenium Grid, which is used to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Nothing but at a time. I mean, at a time or parallelly, number of browsers it will be support and number of operating system it will be support. Everyone. So at a time or parallelly, number of browsers it will be support and number of operating systems it will be support. Once again, guys, Patrick Lightbody. So he developed Selenium Grid, which is used to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Once again, guys, Selenium introduced by Jason Huggins. Jason Huggins, he developed one small JavaScript in 2004. But Shinya Kastani, he developed one small plugin which is called Selenium IDE, used to perform recording and playback. And Paul Hamanth, he developed one small server used to perform functional testings on web browser application. Simon Stewart, he developed a collection of framework as a WebDriver. It is also used to perform functional testings on web browser. If you observe, RC also same used to perform functional testing. WebDriver also used to perform functional testing, but WebDriver collection of framework, it is more advanced and powerful than RC. Understand my point? And last, Patrick Lightbody, he developed Selenium Grid, which is used to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Okay, interview time. I mean, how it will be used? Purpose of 4 components. IDE, recording and playback. RC, functional testings on web browser. WebDriver also same functional testing on web browser, but it has more advanced and powerful than RC. More advanced and powerful than RC. Next, grid used to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Once again, guys, IDE, everyone. IDE used for what? Yes, recording and playback. RC, same. It is used to perform functional testings on web browser application. WebDriver, same. Functional testing, same. Functional testings, but more advanced and powerful than RC. Powerful than RC. Guys, there is no RC in the market now. Only WebDriver. Powerful than RC. Only WebDriver. But initially, they developed as a 4 components. That's what I'm explaining. Grid purpose what? Use it to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Nothing but at a time, number of browsers, number of platforms. Everyone, This is for you have to remember that no need enter history, who developed, what is a person name, where he born, never ask in interview time. Okay, even just for understanding, I given the names. Once again, Selenium IDE used to perform recording and playback on web browser. RC use it to perform functional testing but has more limitations, and WebDriver no limitations. It is also used to perform functional testing and it is most advanced and powerful than RC. And Selenium Grid, it is used to perform cross browser and cross platform testing. It is used to perform cross browser and cross platform testing. Yes. Okay, now let's start today. IDE. Real time out of 100%, IDE, very less usage. Out of 100%, maybe 5% or 10%, they're using IDE. But 90% we are using WebDriver. But even that 5%, 10% also we don't want to miss. That's what. First 2 days, I'll teach Selenium IDE. Then we can start WebDriver with Java. Understand, guys? First 2 days, we can learn Selenium IDE. Then we can start WebDriver with Java. Got it, my point? Okay, let's start Selenium IDE. Let's start Selenium IDE. Everyone, up to now, just introduction part completed. Today, we are starting first component of Selenium. But once again, I'm repeating that out of 100% of automation testing, 5 to 10% only we are using IDE, 90% only WebDriver. But you should know that that's what this first 2 days only we can discuss this concept, 2 to 3 days. Then we can go to Selenium WebDriver. Okay. First of all, let us discuss about IDE features. Let us discuss about IDE features. Okay. Before discuss about, I need once your response, guys. My class, everyone, are you clear up to now introduction part? Once give me just message in chat box. Just give me one confirmation message, everyone. Good. 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 Okay, fine. Thank you for your response, guys. Okay. Now let's start Selenium IDE. Everyone, every day after class, you will get recordings also. You can follow, no issues. And every day after class, I'll wait few minutes to clarify your doubts. So Selenium IDE. First of all, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Everyone, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by, Shinya Kastani from Japan. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by Shinya Kastani from Japan. And it's a just again or extension into Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. It supports only 3 browsers. It doesn't support all. IDE is a plugin, not any tool. What is plugin? How to install? I'll show now. Okay, but just understand it is a plugin into extension into Chrome or Firefox or Edge. Last 2 to 3 years onwards, it's supporting Firefox and Edge and Chrome. Initially, it support only Firefox, but now From last few years, it's supporting Chrome and Edge also. It's supporting Chrome and Edge. Once again, guys, it's a plugin and extension into Chrome browser. Yes, it's a plugin and extension into Chrome browser. Next. And it is used to perform recording and playback. Recording and playback. By using recording and playback, you no need to write any Selenium code in IDE. If you're recording and playback, automatically, what are the operations you're performing an application? Everything will be recorded as a command format. Yes, everything will be recorded as a what? Command format. So in Selenium IDE, you no need to write any code. In Selenium IDE, you no need to write any code. So default, it can generate as HTML format. As what? HTML format. So let me write during recording, every action record as HTML or command format. But future, this one we can convert to other languages. What are the languages we have to convert? We can convert to Java, we can convert to Python, we can convert to C#, and we can convert to Perl. So we can converting into other languages. Once again, guys, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by Shinya Kastani from the Japan. And IDE is not any tool. Then what? It is a just plugin and extension into Chrome or Firefox and Edge browser. It doesn't support with any other browsers. And it is a plugin and extension into everyone. It is a plugin and extension into Chrome browsers. Next, it is used to perform recording and playback. By using recording and playback, during recording, every action will be recorded. Yes, during recording, every action will be recorded. Yes, every action will be recorded as a commands or HTML format. But later we can convert HTML to other languages. Yes, HTML to other languages. And one more point I forgot to add. Let me add. It is used to perform smoke testing. Smoke testing means what? Checking basic functionality. Checking basic functionality. By using only IDE, you can't test entire the project. Enter the project, you can't test. Yes, every day you can't use. Every day. Yes, we can't test entire the application. We can test only basic functionality. That's what it is used to check, used to perform smoke testing. Once again, guys, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by Shinya Kastani, and it is a plugin and extension into Chrome and Firefox browser. It is used to perform smoke testing, nothing but checking basic functionality, and it is used to perform recording and playback. And during recording, every action record as a HTML format, and we can convert to other languages such as Java, Python, and as well as C#. Now let us know how to download, how to download and install, IDE. So guys, from today onwards, we are starting to installation. Guys, before explain one small point, During installation, if you have any doubts, no worry. I'll create WhatsApp group with our students who already complete registrations. I'll create the WhatsApp group from the tomorrow. In the group, whenever practicing, if you have any doubt, anytime you can post. Along with me, the lab trainers also there. Support team also there. They will support. Yes, they will support. Yes, they will support. So let's show that how to download and how to install IDE. It support only two browsers, either Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. You can take any browser. I want to take the Chrome browser here. I want to take Chrome browser here. So here, let's go to Selenium official website. Let's go to Selenium official website. So let's go to seleniumhq.org. If you want to download anything, Selenium related anything, you can use Selenium official website, seleniumhq.org. Either to download IDE, to download, to download RC or WebDriver, Grid, anything, we can use official website, seleniumhq.org. It will be navigate to selenium.dev or directly you can enter as selenium.dev. Here, are you able to see guys downloads in the top? Yes. Click on the downloads. Then if you scroll down, you can find out heading as Selenium IDE. See guys, you can find the heading as what? Yes, Selenium IDE. So under that, you can find out three links such as Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Of course, now I am using the Chrome. So just click on the Chrome. Just click on the Chrome. 1 minute, already it's there. Okay. Then right side, you can find out the button as Add to Chrome. Just click on Add to Chrome and you can get the message Add Selenium IDE. In this pop-up, just click on Add Extension. Then you will get the message as Selenium IDE has been installed successfully. Are you able to see? Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome. Then right side, ID will be visible. Yes, or else are you able to see guys extension icon on the right side? If you click on there, you can find out. If you click on there, you can find out. Yes, Selenium IDE. Then click on pin, then it will be visible. Okay. Or sometimes directly it will be visible. Whenever you want to open Selenium IDE, just click on Selenium IDE. Are you able to see guys Selenium IDE? Are you able to see Selenium IDE? Yes, this is Selenium IDE. Once again, guys, let me uninstall. Let me explain once again. Everyone, go to seleniumhq.org or selenium.dev. There, go to downloads. Under the download page, if you scroll down, you can find out. Yes, you can find out as Selenium IDE. Under the Selenium IDE, just click on Chrome. Just click on Chrome. I mean, not only Chrome, based on your compatibility browser, but don't use Safari and Opera like that. Support Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. So I'm using the Chrome. If you click on the link in the right side of the page, you can click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. Click on Add Extension. Yes, click on Add Extension. So plug in, then you can choose. It will be visible. Right click on, double click on Selenium IDE. It will be open. I hope installation you completed, guys. You understood how to do the installation. After installation, What is the main purpose of this? Recording and playback. Yes, recording and playback. Let me take, guys, one small project in Selenium IDE. Let me take as Mercury Travels. Are you able to see, guys? This is, let me take as one sample project in Selenium IDE. Okay. Now, here, Selenium IDE, I am taking the project as Mercury Travels. So in this page, in Mercury Travels page, let me take some of the test cases. What login we can take as a one test case. Register we can take as a one test case. Holidays we can take as a test case. Flights we can take as a test case. Hotels we can take as a test case. Yes. So I'm writing here Selenium ID Mercury Travels project test case number 1. Verify login. Test case number 2. Verify register. And test case number 3. Verify. See, guys, holidays, flights, and hotels. Verify holidays. Test case number 4. Verify hotels and verify flights. So, guys, under my project, I taken 5 test cases. Okay. Under my project, how many test cases? I taken 5, such as login, register, holidays, hotels, and flights. Let me add test cases into IDE. First of all, create one project in IDE. I want to create with the name of Mercury Travels. Those cases I want to add into Selenium IDE, and I want to perform recording and playback. I want to perform what? Recording and playback. See, once again, how to launch IDE? Open the browser and right side of the browser, click Selenium IDE open. Whenever open, we can find out 4 headings here. One is record a new test in new project. Second one is open an existing project. Third one is everyone. Third one is create a new project. Fourth one, close Selenium IDE. Yes. Okay. First one, if you want to create new test case in the new project, if you want to create new test case, if you want to create new test case in a new project, if you want to create new test case in new project, I mean already project is there. Then if you want to create the new one, we can go to record a new test in new project. Already project is there. If you want to open that, then we can go to open an existing project. Third one, create a new project. If it is a first time launching IDE, yes. Yes, everyone. So if you are launching firstly Selenium IDE, if you don't have project, if you don't have test cases, then we can use third option as create a new project. Finally, if you want to close Selenium IDE, then we can use Selenium IDE. Once again, guys, let me explain that. Everyone, once again, already project is there. To create new test case, we can use option as record a new test in new project. Already project created. If you want to open, yes, then we can use open an existing project. And if you want to, first time if you're launching IDE, you don't have project and test case, then we can use third one as create a new project. And fourth one, if you want to close Selenium IDE, then fourth option. Tell me guys, we are launching first time now. So which option we have to use? We are launching first time now. Which option we have to use? Which option we have to use, guys? I need response from you. I need responses from you. Then I can understand whether you're following class or not. Yes, very good. We can use create a new project. Everyone, we can use create a new project because of first time. After it's asking project name. Already I taken sample project name now. What is that? Mercury. Guys, example I taken Mercury, but you can take anything, even Gmail, you can take as a sample project. Facebook, you can take as a sample project, or IRCTC application also you can take as a sample project. I taken Mercury Tours, click on OK. See guys, now my IDE open with the project name of Mercury Tours. And here already I am showing five cases are there now. These five cases, let me add into my Selenium IDE. How to add? Here in Selenium IDE, the right side are able to see guys, add new test option. Are able to see guys, add new test option. Under the test, are able to see add new test option. Click on that. Enter one by one. Test case number one, verify, register. I'm changing a little bit, verify, register. Click on add. Same option. Again, test case number two, verify, login, because without register login, not possible. Nah? That's what first I added register. Now, test case number three, verify holidays. Verify holidays. Test case number four, verify hotels. Test case number five, verify flights. One minute, guys. Let me delete this. And test case number four, I missed that. Test case number four. Okay. So verify hotels. I hope you understood, guys. Now, finally, how many cases? Five cases. Now I'll show you how to recording and playback. Everyone, how to recording and playback. First, I'm selecting register. And which project? Mercury project. Now, let's copy the project URL. I'll copy project URL. So I'll copy the project URL. Everyone. Then I'll copy project URL. Then select test case as verify register. Right side are able to see guys, green color, red color button. Sorry, not green color. Just right side are able to see red color button. Yes, it is used to start recording. Same option used to stop recording. Everyone, it is used to start recording and same option used to stop recording. Yes, use it to start recording and use it to stop. Now I'll click on start. It's asking which URL. Enter the project URL. I copied now. So we have to enter project URL. Oh, it's not copied. Okay. I'll enter the project URL and are able to see guys start recording. Guys, every time URL not required. So not required. Only once. Only starting day we have to enter the project URL. Click on start recording. See guys, open, browser open and browser open, page navigated. Now I want to maximize this. I want to maximize this. Then are you able to see guys bottom one message Selenium IDE? Selenium IDE message are you able to see guys red color message in the bottom. Yes, this is used. This is meaning now I am in recording mode. Yes, now I am in recording mode. So first I'll click on customer login. Click on customer login. Go to register. I'll click. I'll enter first name as Ramakrishna. I'm entering my last name as QA engineer. Email address. Sample. I'm entering that. For example, RK. Dot 9ITvidhya. I'm entering one mail ID at the rate of gmail.com and set a password. I'm entering as Selenium at the rate 12345. Selenium at the rate 12345. I'm entering just one number. I'm entering one number. Click on register. Whatever the operations I'm performing, everything will be recorded. Yes, click on register. Of course, I'm getting one message, registration, something successful or failure, what it may be, because already the mail is there. Okay, fine. Now, close this. Stop recording. Open Selenium IDE. Right side, are you able to see, guys? Just click on stop. Observe under this test case, everything recorded. Under the test case, everything recorded. See, I enter my first name as Ramakrishna. It's recorded. I enter my last name as Q engineer. Recorded. My email ID, my password, my phone number, everything is recorded or not? Yes. Once recorded, you can save this test case for future purpose. How? How we can save? How we can save this? Right side, are you able to see, guys, save project option? Just click on save project. Click on save. In my desktop, I will save this Mercury Tours project. Mercury Tours project as October 4th. I mean October 4th batch. Okay. Something. What it maybe you want, you can write, not a problem. Just a file name. I mean project name. Click on save. So this one, if you want to run, everyone, if you want to run, you can run. How to run this? Here are able to see, guys, second option, run current test option. Yes, run current test option. Just click. You know what happened? What are the operations you perform earlier? Everything will be performed. See, guys, be ready. Observe my screen. Only observe my screen. I'll click on run current test. Click. Observe what happens. See, browser open. Page navigated. And open register page. Guys, it is playback. I recorded now. It is playback. I'm not touching my laptop now. It is running and it will provide the result whether successfully complete or not. See, are you able to see, guys? Green color meaning test case successfully passed, and under the log section, you can find out. I mean, under log section, you can find out with green color as verify register completed successfully. Last line, verify register completed successful, and line by line, if you want to check executed or not, you can check. Understand? Guys, just I recorded, I play back. Very, very easy, guys. No need any that much of technical skills to perform this. Just recording and playback like that. Number of test cases we can record and we can play back. So I hope you are clear, guys. Just today I given very introduction, basic part of IDE. tomorrow, how to record and playback number of test cases and how to perform test batches and debugging. Every concept I'll explain. Okay. So now I want to ask some questions, guys. Everyone, you have the chat option. Please give me your reply in chat box. From today class, I want to ask questions. From today class, I want to ask questions. First question. First question. Selenium, how many components are there? What are the names? Selenium, how many components are there? What are the names? Yes, good, good. Guys, to check your answers along with me, some other technical team also, they're waiting guys in the meeting. They will check your reports. I mean, they'll check your answers. Yes, four components: IDE, RC, WebDriver, and grid. IDE, RC, WebDriver, and grid. Very good, guys. Next question. What is purpose of IDE? What is purpose of IDE? Very good. Vibhu. Yes, very good, Harsha. Venkat, Gaurav, Pooja, Shashmita, Anand, Jaita, very good. Yes, Swapna. Anil, Yamuna, Sharmika, good, good. Yes. It is used for recording and playback. Very good. Next question. What is purpose of WebDriver? What is purpose of WebDriver? What is purpose of WebDriver? Yes, functional testings. Yes, Anil, good. Srijana, Pandya. Yes, Jaita, good. Use it to perform functional testings on web browser application. Functional testings on what? Web browser application. Yes. Fine. Guys, once again, I'm repeating. Classes don't expect the basic knowledge. Okay. Like I already yesterday explained you guys in demo session. So once again, I'll show you that course content. Just give me a moment. Just one moment, please. Just one moment. Guys, don't expect the basic knowledge. Like this is class for live project training. From basic to advanced, everything you can learn. Every day you can get the recordings after the class. Every day you can get the programs. You can get the FAQs. You can get the sample resumes. Along with that, whenever you are practicing, so we have the lab technical people. Whenever you're practicing, if you have any doubts, they will support to you. And technically, if you're perfect, we can share some of the interviews information. You can apply and you can get the job. But one thing I can give you assurance, guys, after completion of course, to keep 3 to 4 years minimum, how much knowledge required, more than you can gain from our classes, and you can show you guys that assurance I can give you. Understand? That assurance we can give you. So if you have any doubts and if you have any questions, I'll clear, guys. Please ask me your questions and doubts in chat box. Yes, core Java, no need to learn. I'll teach. If you are from non-technical background also, to learn this very basic core Java required, that is, I'll explain in the class. You know, worry about the core Java concepts and everything. Okay. Every day after class, I'll wait for a few minutes to clarify your doubts. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, guys. I'll clarify. Everyone, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Core Java Damodar, which is required for Selenium, those concepts will be core Java topics will covered. Yes, Venkatesh, if you're from non-technical background also, you can understand core Java, no worry. Yes, Vaishnavi, Maven also we can discuss in our class. With the Maven project only we will work. Not compulsory, Prandya. Anant, there is no Selenium with Python market. Enter the market Selenium with Java only. Yes, Durga Bhavani, to learn Selenium, only core Java required. No need Damodar. And guys, if you have any questions and doubts, you have the chat option. You can give me. You can ask me. Venkatesh, after 2 to 3 days class onwards, every day I'll give you the task. You have to write the task. Before at the class, compulsory you have to complete the tasks. Yes, Anisha. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You can log off now. We can continue tomorrow. Every day, same link, same time, the same energy. You can learn more. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Good night. We can continue tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very important. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day to all. Meet you again tomorrow with new concepts. Bye bye.